Hello guys, this is Fury back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to activate your Windows license key absolutely for free. So if you're using the piracy version, after using it few days you will get a notification like this. This is really annoying, so you can do any stuff, so it will keep showing you this shitty message. So I'm going to show you how to fix it really quick, and also make sure you leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. It helps me a lot. And also thanks for the 500 subs, really appreciate it. And if you want any other free softwares you want, and or other free tutorials you want, I'm gonna make them for you. So stay tuned in my channel. Let's get started. So as you can see, I have activated Windows 10 already, so I'm gonna deactivate it at first. So as you can see, I have deactivated my license. As you can see, Windows is not activated anymore. So first of all, to start this process, you need to go to this website and download this file. Click here, it will start downloading, and you will get a file like this, a winner file. So right click here and extract it. So after you have extracted it, you will get a file like this. Open it. So here you will get two files like this. One is for the 32-bit operating system, and this is for the 64-bit operating system. So usually we all have 64-bit, and if you have the 32-bit, use this one. So I'm gonna start this one, and make sure you run it as administrator. So I'm gonna right click it, run it as administrator. So after you have started this one, click here in this gear icon, and here in the Windows 10 product key, install GVLK key. Click here. Wait for some minute, guys. As you can see, installed product key successfully. So after you have done this, click here in the Windows activation. As you can see, the product is activated successfully. So I'm gonna hop back in and see if it is activated or not. As you can see, Windows is activated using your organization activation service. So thanks for watching, guys. So if you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and also make sure you join our Discord server if you face any kind of problem in my videos. So you can contact me, I will be there for you. And also, if you have any kind of questions regarding tutorials, softwares you want, you can comment down below. I will try to make them one by one. So again, thanks for watching, guys. See you again next time.